Hey everyone. I kind of wanted to bring you an update here on a few things. I have achieved almost complete privacy. I have achieved almost complete privacy. My months and months and months of paying for services to remove my data from data brokers, Aura, as you see down here in the bottom corner here. I also pay for a subscription called Optory.com, the maximum subscription I can get. But I am trying to get Aura to take over those and so much more because there's over 1,000 data brokers out there. So I'm hoping Aura here can take over and be the leading #1 data broker removal request for privacy, since their entire focus is privacy. Also, if you've actually heard me talk about it, privacy.com. Privacy.com is where you can make cards, privacy cards, to purchase your stuff, whether it be one-time use and it auto delete once that purchase is done and over with, or if you were like me, that is going to use privacy.com cards to literally basically pay for pretty much everything with one particular card. And I'm doing this on purpose. It's very elaborate, very, very time consuming to set it all up, but I'm doing it that way for one simple fact: privacy. And I have achieved it. I have achieved almost complete 100% privacy, because the big thing I have with privacy.com is they couldn't verify my address. My address was give me a minute. They just emailed me. Thank you for clarifying your address. We were able to verify your account manually. Again, I am sorry for the trouble you experienced during the sign-up process. That said, your account has been activated, so you should be all set to transact. I'm here to help if you run into any snacks. All right. All right. So that's my point, people. I have achieved almost the impossible, complete autonomy from the internet while never being off the internet. Um, the fact that their automation system is completely autonomous for verification process, and they had to go in and manually verify my address, says something, because as a lot of people know, I use NetLimiter. You can go to netlimiter.com for that. I'll even add it in the description. I'll even add the Aura link here. I'll also add privacy.com to it. I'll even add Optory for those that want to go ahead and sign up and start that process on that, because eventually I'm hoping Aura here will take over completely and I can get rid of the Optory subscription. Also, get Aura right now. They have a good sale, promotional sale right now. You can get the $50 plan, monthly plan, for $29. Family plan that's usually $50 for $29. Get it now while you can. Back to what I was saying though. I've achieved the almost impossible. We all know all technology is automated, and the verification processes is completely automated and whatnot. And so I want to actually do this and read this to you. I would show it to you, but I didn't quite set up for showing, but I will read it. This is from Tana at Privacy Support. Hello, Curtis. I am very sorry for the frustration sign up has caused you, but I am here to get you activated. We're in the process of reviewing your account, and we wanted to provide an update. Our system has detected an unsupported address type. As part of our identity verification requirements, we're unable to accept a non-residential or non-permanent address. This includes business locations, P.O. boxes, UPS, or FedEx drops, and other temporary residences. This also applies to privacy business accounts. The one exception to this rule is that we are able to support an army or fleet post boxes. If your current sign-up address falls under this category, let us know and we'll update the information on our end. Now, This is funny because one, when I signed up to privacy.com, I didn't get asked to put my address in. So whatever their automated verification process is pulling from a database that doesn't have the right information, which means all I'm paying for, all the money I've spent the last 6 months to a year spending for privacy to get my data removed from these data brokers, but also at the same time to help protect my privacy and using NetLimiter as a to block all incoming traffic. This is fantastic. I even started actually having a new piece of software that I'm going to share with you guys as well. This is actually something that my friend Summer Wolf actually said to me, and it's already blocked some major things that is quite interesting. Apparently, ever since I announced my invention idea, well, guess what? People's been, trying to get in my computer to verify information and get information on my idea. A lot of it is computer network. A lot of it is a General Electric company. It's quite amazing, actually, and I'm going to share that with you here. Make sure I have the right screen. Displays, boom, boom. All right, we'll put this over here and we'll put this as the right monitor. All right. So as you can see here, oh, give me a minute. Let me change this a little bit. Okay, there we go. As you can see here, I don't know if you can actually see it or whatnot, but as you can see here, there is Computer Network and General Electric Company, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. They're all trying to get into, my computer using various ports. Halliburton Company, and using a destination IP. Now, this is absolutely hilarious because of the whole idea between my invention idea. And see, there's even a Sweden AB that's also blocked. So these are all things that is literally happening on my network in the background that you don't even know about. Heck, I didn't even know about this going on. Like, I use NetLimiter, but even NetLimiter didn't pick this stuff up, which means this is even more stuff to block. This is even more stuff to hide protect my privacy on my devices. I'm going to be downloading this on every device I can. The where you can get this is literally peerblock.com. Peerblock.com. A little software. It's fantastic. Make sure you turn on all the blocks. It's absolutely fantastic. I would highly recommend it. It's a nice little software, free software for those that like free. I know I do. But as you can see, it's actually blocking stuff that I didn't, even NetLimiter wasn't picking up. Which means there's even more hidden processes going on in the background that most people don't know about. And as you can see here, it's blocking a total of 949,000, or whoa, 949,814,481 IPs. Now you're probably thinking, well, does that prevent me from, doing stuff on the web? Actually, no, it doesn't. For instance, let's just go here. See? Look at that. My browser is even hella faster because all those incoming connections that are hidden, not in any way, shape, or form slowing it down. Look how fast my browser is. Like, this is like fantastically fast. Like, I haven't had a fast browser like this in blasted forever. And so like, I have a gig internet, and this is usually not this fast. Like, this is just fast, snappy browser browsing, all because I'm blocking all this stuff. Amateur radio digital communications, that's a new one. So yeah, it's actually quite interesting. If we actually go here and we actually look at our log, we can see what we got for blocked. Look at all those things. We got General Electric, we got Massachusetts, we got Halliburton Company, Merit Computer Network. We got UDP and TCP protocols that they're trying. L E.L.du Ponte France company? Really? Impressive. Even a France company is trying. Oh, look, Amazon. Go figure. Valve Corporation, which is Steam. These are all connections that are literally running in the background, slowing your computer down tremendously and crazily. In fact, since I actually started using this just a few minutes before using this and seeing how fast, let's actually do a quick CPU and memory test with everything going on. Now, on average, my memory usage is usually running, about, I have 32 gigs, and my memory it is usually running without. Well, here, let me close Minecraft because Minecraft's open. In fact, we'll close all excess processes just to do this properly. Okay, close out of Rust Disk. We will close out of that. We will close out of that. All right. So normally, my stats are literally 1 gig internet, and my memory is usually with this run with everything normally run, no Minecraft running, no nothing. It's usually sitting roughly about 30 gigs. And when I run Minecraft, it pushes my gigabyte limit to the max. Now, with that being said, though, I was just running Minecraft as well as doing things, and I was only at 27 gigabytes memory. That's with having four browser windows open, including 2 browser windows that had multiple tabs. Minecraft running, the Minecraft server running. Right now, the Minecraft server is all that's running massively on my computer. But the point is, I can actually run the server and record this video smoothly without any issues. And the memory is great. Oh, we just dropped below 20. So right now, what we're looking at is a system where not only are you protected from clearly everything from electric companies to technology companies to computer network companies to even people from France and Sweden, no less. I mean, we're talking about a setup that is just basically trying to hound your computer for information, data mine your information without your knowledge. So not only am I protecting myself here, now I got to actually install this nice little peer block on my actual other devices too. It's actually pretty cool because I already achieved the impossible. I already achieved the impossible by fooling the automated verification processes. The fact that I was able to fool the automated verification processes, and the automated verification process could not verify my address. All the money, all the time I've been working for the last year and a half, 2 years, 3 years to work on protecting my privacy has finally shown some fruition, and I'm loving it because I can now, as a computer guy who is a gamer, who has an invention idea that will change the world, can literally go through his entire life right now being on the internet without never actually having to be I can officially be off the grid without actually never being off the grid. It's actually fantastic. So if you want some pointers, whether you know me or whether you don't, it doesn't matter. If you want some pointers on how I do this, on what I do to go through on this, is I quite honestly want you to get out and get, oh my gosh, I want you to reach out to me, and I will help you with links and stuff. Like I said, the links that I use for protecting my privacy will be in the description below in this YouTube video. And I hope that you will actually come join and go click on those, see what it is, sign up for them, etc., etc. Optory.com, keep in mind that I believe there is a free version, but if you want to be most effective, you're going to have to spend the $30 or 25, $30 to get the full protection. But like I said, it's also not quick. Removing data from data brokers, not easy by yourself. That's why paying somebody to do it for you is highly recommended, because then you don't have to fight the data brokers yourself. These companies will fight for you. And Aura here, since I'm trying my best to work with them, not only to improve their software, but also at the same time improve their software, since they just introduced data broker removal stuff and updating it every single week, I'm helping them expand their system as well. And the fact that I found out that there's over 1,000 data brokers out there recently holding even one person's data is making millions off of just one person a day, if not billions off that one person a day. That's how bad these data brokers are. That's how much information each and every person on the face of this planet has for these data brokers. And that's why I've been spending so much time, so much effort to protect my privacy. And these privacy cards are the next step. Because not only have I gotten so private with my information now that I can fool the automated verification processes, now I can actually go and protect my financial transactions. It's fantastic. So, with that being said, my name is Curtis Herbold, owner of Hamster's PC Repair, heavy privacy person, and definitely do not data mine anybody's information, because I wouldn't want anybody to data mine mine, which is exactly why I'm removing it, and why I'm protecting my privacy to the extreme. With that being said, ciao, and see you on the flip side. While off the grid, living on the grid.